Trail, Battleship, Box, Straight Rail, Down Donkey. God, there's a hitching post. Lower Park also closed due to fog. On hold, fog hold. Round bar, flat box, flat down, cube, rainbow over there. Snow is great, but the visibility is extremely poor, and they're not opening the terrain park, so I'm going to continue the tour of Colorado ski areas and see what else I can hit this morning. Thinking Sunlight ski area near Glenwood. So due to the fog, I'm going to head up I-70 and see if I can make it over to Sunlight. That's the next ski area where my pass works. Sunlight is near Aspen, Buttermilk, Carbondale. So back to the truck. That blue truck, Dodge Ram, is what I'm driving right now. It's not a new truck for me, it's a rental. If you saw my older video, somebody, the bad guys, tried to steal my Ford F-150. Over $6,000 in damage. In the shop for a month, but I got this rental in the meantime.